Yeah, connected to one trade. So this is my overall bias. I would like to start from monthly time frame first here, using technical analysis, peak formation high, peak formation low, the price keep ranging here. I'll come back here for this one, in which eventually I'm expecting the price to come back here again. But you can see the way price react to this level now, in which many people call it inducement. That is inducement, in which I'm expecting the market to sell with whatever your bias is. But in a nutshell, before I proceed, I would like to share you some information apart from that big formation high, big formation low. When price break out of this range, this particular range here, the price came back, and I'm expecting price to react to this particular demand zone in which it fails to react currently as a result of inducement or whatever you call it. And another bias I'm having here is this, that is breakout, breakout, and I'm expecting the retest to come to somewhere around here if possible, or you can still see hidden here a strong support here, which happen to be a resistance here. So the retest is not over yet, but as a result of this impulse move, I would like to call this zone as my own demand supply zone now, in which I'm expecting price to come back there before it finally sell again. But in a lower time frame, there is additional information. Every time frame has a lot of things to tell you. But if you look at it, to those of us who trade support and breakout and retest, you can see it here that if you switch to lower time frame, you will note that this price break out from one particular trend and did a retest in which we are expecting the price to come back here. And even though if you use this kind of Fibonacci retracement movement from here to here, so if you are looking for opportunity to sell this now, it should be around here, which is around 50K. Very, very, very possible. There's nothing impossible in this crypto or forex market. Now, in that case, but now the price are finding it very difficult to break this 29K as a result of strong support you are having here, which happen to be a resistance here. And by the time we switch to lower time frame, we will agree that the market is just ranging for the past 2 weeks now, in which we don't know either to buy or to sell. But those people who are in a sell, if you're in profit, fine. And those people who are in the buy, if you're in profit, buy. If you're in a profit, good for it is good for you. It's either you lock your profit or you accept the later outcome of the market movement. This is monthly time frame. On weekly time frame, there's additional information in which we need to pay attention to. Let's check what we have on weekly time frame. Okay, now having this on weekly time frame now, and you can agree with me that currently the price has been ranging for the past three, let's say for the past 2 weeks now, in which everything according to what I analyze on bigger time frame, it still respect it. This is support breakout here become a retest. But here there is one kind of information here in which you need to pay attention here now. I am very sure that the price will eventually come to around this 48 or 40 something thousand, simply because I love trading this impulse move. As a result of this is impulse move, and I'm expecting at least price to travel 50% or 60% of this move. But in case of demand and supply in weekly time frame, you can agree with me that there's one particular movement that occur before this impulse move, in which people call order block or whatever name you call it. My own is just to understand and how they behave. Now, as a result of this, I'm just expecting price to come back here and join the sub. If fails to come back to all-time high. That is my own bias. But before then, there are some information in which lower time frame will also tell us again that we need to pay attention to. For instance, let's look at this now. This is daily time frame, but in daily time frame, we have something like order block. Like if you look at this one now, this particular zone is lower time frame. We have another block around this one. By the time we switch to lower time frame, we are going to see this last bullish candle give us other block here. That is okay. When price get to that zone, it's likely to say, but price has not react to that zone accordingly. But currently, price is finding the resistance at 29K, which is fixed to break. But from my own bias now is that I'm expecting price to clear off this particular resistance before it started selling again. But by the time we switch to lower time frame, we will understand it. Now, let's check this again now. Can agree now that this is breakout and test. You can see. So which price react to this level now. I can mark it as my own major support now. This support level. Now let's check daily time frame. On daily time frame, we are now having this, which make it valid trading. Now the kind of order block we are seeing in on daily time frame, they see the order block here. By the time I remove this one now, this kind of order block here, which need to pay attention to now. Price is at 61 something now, and that other block is here, which is very essential. Price has not reacted to that the other block yet, in which as a result, if you place a sell from this one now, it can be as a result of inducement. What I'm expecting to happen now is that if you know how to trade, here this one now is the accumulation of price. People are buying, people are selling. But if these people want to sell now, accumulation of price, the only thing they need to do is just to bring the price up to clear all the stop here, then finally they drop the price down. That is the bias now. This is a sell market, but they need to bring the price up to clear all the stop and sell down to this level or to this level. Anything can happen before the buy will be continued. Another scenario is this. If you look at it, let's check this information here now. Let's check out this information. Let's check out this information. This is daily time frame now. Now, if you look at this movement from here to here, we bring it back to here. So automatically, wait, this can move here. This is what we call relationship. Those of you who know how to trade the ABC pattern, this is it. This is what we call ABC pattern. That is, so we are looking for say around 31K for price to drop down around 31K where you are using ABC pattern. And this pattern always form when the market maker want what they are trying to do, or they are trying to do price accumulation. They have to give us a valid pattern that this market is going to sell now. Eventually, this is what is likely to happen. Big out, then finally the price will drop down. Now, in that case, when we switch to maybe the lower time frame now, like 4 hours or 1 hour, we agree with me that the price has been ranging for a very long period of time, almost a week now, and this is it. Coming. So you can see the ranging all the way from here. As a good trader, there's no point for you to jump into the buy or into the sell for now. All you have to wait for now is this. Just so when price come to this side, you can buy from here to clear this stop. Immediately they clear all the stop around this level now, around this level, then you join. After they clear the stop from here, then you place your sell all the way from here and you sell down. That is the simple trade, simple logic. And it might happen as they have given us this kind of information now, they might try another thing. It's either to give us another demand demand level around here or the price will drop down. But whatever the case is be, this is a fairly trade that is. I'm expecting price to keep go up here and come down. And if at first they want to change, they want to sell, continue the sell, it's either they bring the price down here, then from here you buy back, continue to 52K, because the overall chart for of the overall Bitcoin chart now is around bullish direction is around 50 or 49K. That is my view for now.